Today, I'm showing you how to create this super simple, beginners-friendly makeup look that looks fresh, pretty, and effortless. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, and all things pretty. So if that's your vibe, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. I have already done my skincare. Don't skip the skin prep because it literally decides how your makeup is going to turn out. For my base, I'm using e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter. This is lighter than foundation and gives that natural dewy filter-like finish. Today I'm focusing more on concealer. I mix it with Hello Glow to keep it lightweight and hydrating. I apply it to the high points of my face. And with whatever's left, I use to cover my acne spot. Before setting my face, I go in with Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Happy. Now, I'm setting my face because we still want the makeup to stay matte. I layer the powder blush later to lock in the color. I'm adding extra powder under my eyes since I use more concealer. To warm up the face, I'm using Benefit's Hoola Bronzer. I use it not just on the face but also lightly contour my nose, just enough to add subtle shadows. For brows, I'm using Benefit's Brow Wax. It's literally running out at this point. I'm just scraping whatever I can. Then I lock in with Brow Setter. Now onto the fun part, eyes. I start with a purple tone all over the lids and blend it down onto my lower lash line. Then I grab a soft brown as a transition shade for a crease area. To tie everything together, I add a peachy shade on the center of my lids. I line my eyes off camera and now I'm blending the same brown shade on the outer corners of the lower lash line for the balance. I draw my agyeo-sal using a brown eyeshadow and I use the same purple shadow very lightly to create that natural puff under the eyes. Please avoid using white because it makes it look unnatural, and then I top it off with a tiny bit of highlighter to make it pop. I curl my lashes and pop on my usual falsies. For the lower lash line, I'm applying the mascara today. Normally I skip, but for this look, it really makes the eyes stand out. For blush, I apply it upward from the apple of my cheeks towards the temple. It instantly lifts the face. If you want more blush hack, check out the video I have already posted. I'll link it right here. Moving on to the lips, I just contour my upper lips with a Hoola bronzer because my top lips is smaller. It helps balance and gives that plumper effect. Then I line my lips and blending it inward for that soft, natural lip look. For color, I'm applying Peri Pera Ink Velvet, then tapping a red crayon tint in the center to create that pretty gradient effect. Finishing with a layer of lip gloss for that juicy lips. And finally, I highlight the high points of my face just to bring back that glow. And that's how I created this simple, effortless look. Perfect for beginners or anyone who loves soft glam. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!